Okay, so I'm not like a beauty guru or anything, or like trying to make this channel like a beauty guru thing, but I just really want to film like an everyday makeup GRWM. Yeah, basically I'm just gonna be doing my everyday makeup, but really I'm gonna add some extra things to it because do I really wear eyeshadow to school? No. Okay, that's the truth. I need to breathe while I speak. I don't think I breathe. I don't think I do. I'm sorry if at any point you see like some mess in the background, or you see like that wall light fixture thing, whatever, light switch. It's because I'm actually in the process of redoing my room. You did not come here for that huge intro, so let's just get started. I don't know how to say let's get started without it being like awkward to me, so let's just get started. So first, I like to have really glowy looking skin, so to prime my face I'll just use this, which is the Maybelline Master Prime primer. So now I'm just gonna use my Dirty Beauty blender. This is actually a white or like a light pink beauty blender. Yeah, it's brown now, so I think it's fine. It's fine.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Actually, I'm just gonna go in with my hand for the remainder of this. For concealer, I'm actually out of concealer right now, but normally I would use this Tarte Shape Tape, but it's literally, I've been like scraping it out. Or I'll use this NARS Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna try to get some product out of this, but I don't know if it's gonna work, so yeah, I just kind of, there's like no product on this, it's fine. And I'm just gonna put that under my bags. While I'm blending this out with a beauty blender, I just wanted to know what kind of videos you want to see, because I just literally have no idea. So I'm just gonna blend this out even more with this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. This brush is honestly my essential brush. If you don't have this brush, what are you doing? You need to go buy it like right now. That literally took me 9 minutes to blend out concealer. What the heck? So for powder, I'm just gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me powder, which is almost gone. So you didn't need to know that. Like you have eyes, you can see this. And I'm just gonna use my Morphe M438, which I really like to use for under eye setting powder. And if you're watching this right now and you aren't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing, you need to subscribe. And then after I set my face with that brush, I'll use this brush and set it even more. And this is like my little hack I do. It's just really all that. I take the powder and I like put it where I'm about to put my bronzer, so that whenever I put my bronzer on, it won't just like stick to a certain place. It is better, and I don't know, I can't tell. So then I just like to use bronzer, and I use this Hoola bronzer. This is just a little mini one. And for bronzer, I just like to use this Luxie 522 tapered highlight brush. I used to never wear bronzer, but now that I've started wearing it like the past 2 years, I kind of live for it. After that, I like to do my brows, and for brows, I just use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I use medium brown. This is the best eyebrow product. I use the Anastasia like pencil. I used to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, but once I switched to the pomade, life was so much easier. I don't think I'm the worst at eyebrows. I don't know, maybe I could be, in my whole life's been alive. I don't think I really have anything special I do with my eyebrows. I just fill them in. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one and I'll be right back. So for my eyes, I already put a little bit of concealer and powder on them, so I'm not gonna put on any primer or anything. That kind of is like my primer. I'm gonna use this Sweet Peach palette. And honestly, sometimes I won't even be using this palette, but I'll just use the mirror in it because I like to smell the eyeshadow. If you didn't know, it smells like peaches. It also tastes like peaches, like literally. So I'm just gonna use this color right here. It's called Candied Peach. And I'm just gonna put that on my eyelid. And this isn't gonna be some super intricate hard thing. This is an everyday kind of thing. And then I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. It's literally not hard. Probably a 5-year-old could do this if they really put their mind to it. So I'm just gonna mix these two colors right here. It's Puree and that Candied Peach from earlier. And from earlier, it was like 2 seconds ago. Okay. I'm gonna tap off the excess and just put that into my crease. Just to like define it, give it a little more something. I can pretend I'm a beauty guru. Come on, let me have my moment. So then after that, I'm just gonna use this color called Bellini and mix it with this color right here called Nectar. And I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. And also on my brow bone. Because I like doing this. Whoa! That's like, I am doing, you guys, okay, so you guys, now I'm gonna do your makeup. Alright, your eyeshadow is looking so good, girl. The last step in the eyes is using this mascara. This is a pretty good mascara. I like it. It's the best. I don't think so. So I'm just going to apply this. I don't really think there needs to be much. I don't really think there needs to be much explanation for putting on mascara. Maybe that's just me, but I don't think it's really a skill that takes too much time to learn. Whenever I was little, this is how I applied mascara. I did the blinking technique. Honestly, I don't have time for 2 coats. I don't have time to like let it dry and apply another coat. I just don't do that. I don't really wear highlighter that much, but I feel like it today. Oh, my dad texted me. Do I want this? I don't know why they're shopping. I'm sure you cared. I kind of do want that. I don't have a sweatshirt. I literally don't have any hoodies, so I'm gonna say yes. My mom sent me a picture of these shirts that say "Be Humble" on it. Talking about highlight, let me just do a little something real quick. I don't really wear highlight every single day. I'm not really like a highlight person. I used to pound it on. I put like MAC Fix Plus, all that on there, but I don't really do that anymore. Honestly, I don't even apply highlighter every day, but when I do, I like to use this Laura Mercier Highlight 01. It's dirty, it's mini. For highlighter, I'm going to use Manny MUA's favorite brush, and it's the M510. I like using this highlighter because it's very subtle, and it just kind of does that little glow from within thing. You know, I know my terms, okay? For lips, honestly, I don't wear lip products really besides chapstick, so for my lip, I'm going to use this Nivea Kiss of Mint and Minerals, I think it is. So that's it for this video, and make sure you subscribe, especially if you stay till the end. Comment below what kind of video you want to see next, and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, I mean, give it a thumbs down. I don't really care. That's about it for this video, and see you in my next one.